I'm following a road, trying to follow a tip on a place to collect Kona Dolomite. Just it's taking me next to I believe this is the Empire Mine. I'll check it. I might be wrong. But if you're curious to know just how large the tailings piles are for an active iron mine here in Marquette, uh, these are beyond massive. In fact, I think one of the tailings piles here are actually the highest point in Michigan now. Absolutely enormous amounts of earth being moved. So I'm at a fairly remote spot, but one that's not actually hard to get to if you get the right car for it. All along here, there are pieces of Kona Dolomite. It looks rough. It's not all polished up and looking pretty like you're used to. It's just coming out of the ground here. This is a public location. It's an extremely public place. It's actually the Mount Marquette overlook, which Google Maps will have you go the wrong way every time, so just be prepared for that. However, at the top here, you have Kona Dolomite. Now honestly, I probably would have identified this as a quartzite if I hadn't already been told that this is Kona Dolomite. If I was told wrong, and it is quartzite, then I'm going to consider it a major victory. But I'm looking at this, yeah, that's not quartzite. That's the Kona Dolomite. Boy, that's a gorgeous surface there. Look at this down here. Yeah, these polished surfaces are spectacular. So, if you do come to a public place like this to collect, please be considerate. Don't come up here and start whacking away right where everybody stands to look at it. I mean, some people are rooting. You see someone had a bonfire up here, there's charred wood and stuff, but be considerate. So I brought my rock hammer, but I actually didn't have to use it. All I did was I walked a very short distance from the very public viewing area. I went out along the woods over here, and you know what's covering the forest floor? Little pieces of Kona Dolomite that are falling off. You don't have to hammer anything out. And to my knowledge, there's no rule against you taking pieces like this. And you're not damaging anything. It's a real win-win. You know, the tree roots have already done the work of digging them up for you. All you do is you pick them up. You know, and like I said, take them from places that aren't going to damage the beauty or spoil anything for anybody else. There's a way to do this responsibly. Please do that.